Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, take off the bolt cover located on the top of the tail light. Then, by hand, take off the cover inside the trunk. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two holding bolts on the light. Remove the power connector. To do this, push on the little plastic tab and at the same time pull on the terminal. To remove the connector board holding the bulbs, pull out each of the red plastic tabs that hold it in place. While doing this, continue to pull on the connector board. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is push down and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. They should pop out thanks to a spring effect. To put the new ones in, position the spur on the bulb in front of the holes. Push on the bulb and pivot it a quarter turn to the right. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. The tab should separate to let it pass and lock in place once it's down. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in place, pushing it in without forcing. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, tighten the holding spurs without forcing too much. Don't forget, they're made of plastic. Clip on the two plastic covers and close the trunk. You can now go off for a picnic with total peace of mind. Operation completed.